This is my something video. I forgot which video this is. Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm not doing a voiceover today. I don't know if you could tell, but today I'm doing a slime package opening. Well, it is in a pineapple. Currently it's $1, so I'm pretty sure you can get these at like the dollar store. But like they're really cheap slime. They're cheaper than glue. They're cheaper than making it. So I'm doing a slime opening video. I'm gonna be opening it for you guys. Okay guys, so I just ended up cutting it with these scissors. Here, wait just a minute. They're stuck. I used these scissors to cut them. Oops. So I'm just gonna peel this. This. Oh my gosh. That's sticky. This is sticky. Why is it sticky? So now I'm just gonna do some slime poking. Okay, as you can tell, it's like a really nice orange color. This is really nice. Does it smell like pineapple? Nope, it smells like Play-Doh. But yeah, love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and the slime poking. Love you guys so much. Bye.